Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A pretty rough day today in and of itself. I mean, pretty much selling for the entirety of the day. Did show some sideways action towards the end of the day here, and then a little bit of upwards price action. But you know, that's not enough for me to sit here and say, oh, the bulls are totally back in charge. Whoops. Wrong button, click there. But anyways, so like I said, yeah, showed a little bit of upward strength there, but nothing crazy or anything like that. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First area of support, just simply right here at $7.15 for the simple reason of, well, that's where the bleeding finally stopped. That's where enough buyers showed up, where they finally, just said, all right, bears, you've had enough fun. You've pressed the price down long enough. We're going to show back up and, kind of flex your muscles. And they did that at $7.15. Now, what I want to do is create more so a support zone. So that's going to be the top of the support zone, $7.15. Bottom of the support zone down here at $7.08. So keep an eye on this right here. As Clay, what's kind of a key level for the chart? This would definitely be key. If the price, goes down there and then breaks below 708, I'm not saying within 2 seconds that the price is going to be, going sub $7 and, around 690, but it would not be shocking at all because, technically speaking, next areas of support wouldn't be until, down here around this area of the chart, which is below $7. So, I mean, let's keep things in perspective. Right now, it's still at 723. Point being, if the bears are strong enough to push down through this quote-unquote support zone, then, yeah, it's not unrealistic at all to think that they'd be strong enough to push down through $7 and potentially even lower. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because as it stands right now, the support zone is, not being threatened to be broken. Now, what about levels of resistance? If the price starts to bounce back up, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First key area of resistance on any sort of bounce back up going to be right here at about $7.30. And the next key level to keep an eye on is just simply going to be that purple line right there. I realize it seems kind of, not irrelevant, but way up there when the price is still way down there. Keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. But before I even talk about, doing better with that 50 period, bulls first got to get back above $7.30. So a lot of volume in this one, quite a bit of volatility. So we'll see how this one unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.